When Jesus was confronted and they wanted to make him king, it was said there that he did not trust in men. He trusted only in his Father, because he knew what they would do to him. Why? Because they are in evil. They are in their self. And when they are in their self, they will try to eliminate the other. That's what they tried to do. That is what sin does to us. Even to our own self. The other day, I heard someone saying negative about themselves. I told them, be careful. Don't do such things, because you are not the Lord of your life. Jesus is the Lord of our life. And today's second reading is telling us that we are baptized in Jesus, who has taken our sins, set us free from them by his death, resurrection, and now we are all in Jesus, the resurrected Jesus. Now this might be only theory here, but the reality is also true, because you're coming here not because it is just a habit, but there is also an experience you've had. And at this stage, I know that all of you are very educated, highly experienced, and you cannot be taken for granted. Your experiences are valid, but we need to constantly reorient ourselves. So God gives us an experience, and whatever may be the experience, there is always an inspiration that he'll give it to us if we are centered on God. That's what the psalm tells us. Blessed is the man who puts his trust in God. He is like a tree that is planted beside the flowing waters, that yields its fruit in due season, whose leaves shall never fade, and all that he does shall prosper.